So here we are on Nettleton Road heading up towards Jarrahdale. All sounds pretty good. I've got a couple of little strange rattly noises, but apart from that it seems to be the pickup is considerably different. So I'm not sure whether you can see that, Stuart. So I run up to about 4 pounds of boost and just under normal. Running 5 pounds of boost now. 16, so I'm just trying to watch. You can hear me over the wind noise, but yeah, this is it. First drive. The suspension's really good. Brakes are a bit spongy. Bit of work to do there. Seems to be running about 11. Seems to be running about 11.6 on the AFR gauge. And temperature's all good, oil pressure's superb. Certainly feels more responsive. I think the gearbox is also helping a lot. So the old MX-5 gearbox makes a driving experience different. Steering wheel's a bit off centre, and I know the tracking's a bit out. But it certainly feels, yeah, it drives nice. It really does. And it's a beautiful day. It's going to be 39 degrees later on, so I thought I'd go out for an earlier run. See how things perform. It does sound really nice, and yeah, somewhere running around 11, 12, which I think is lower than it should be. I think it should be around 13. I don't know how accurate the speedo is, but it says I'm doing 80, between 80 and 90 k's an hour. Oh, it drives nice though. Engine sounds great. A few odd smells, but I suspect you expect that for a newly run-in engine. Temperature's good. Oh yeah, I'm really happy. Wanted to give it a bit of a drive up a hill, put a bit of load on it as soon as I can take it out for a test drive. It's times like this now that certainly feels different than my other car did. My other MG does. It feels a lot more responsive. Even with the MX-5 gearbox, you know, just I'm not sure how accurate the fuel gauge is, but it seems to like a drink as well. Yeah, suspension's really good. I've only fitted the Spax to it, you know. yeah, it seems to be really nice. I can feel that the heater's working, even though I don't need it to work. Yeah, it feels really nice. Drives really well. No smoke coming out of the back, which is always a good sign. There's a cardboard box in there. But as soon as I put my foot into it, I get the 12-pounder boost at the 12-pounder boost sorry, 5-pounder boost reading on the gauge. So I'm going to assume that's how it's supposed to work. I was expecting to see a boost all the time, but it only comes on when I put my foot into it. Happy New Year to you all, and Happy New Year for the best of the year. Don't know why I said that. But anyway, a simple Happy New Year would have been fine. And I'm going to assume, right, that the wind noise is going to be pretty bad. Because I've got it on my head, and I haven't got an independent mic going. And I've got the roof off, because it's summer and it's a really nice day, especially driving in the shadows with the wind blowing through your grey hair. So there was a rubbing noise at the back, but that's gone, so I'm going to assume that if it was the wheel rubbing on the disc caliper, that it's bedded itself in now, and I'll have to check that when I get back. But I know it's got something to do with the caliper, because when I put my foot on the brake, the rubbing noise stopped. So it's on the left hand side of the back. Yeah, so instant response now. So yeah, up to 100 k's an hour, no trouble at all. Unbelievable. Said before in earlier videos, I just like it when shit works. Right, so I'll have to go back now and finish all those little bits off, like the door panel and the vents and other little bits and pieces that have to be finished off. I've got a horrible feeling that all you're going to see here or here is the wind noise and not me talking. But anyway, this is just the first drive out. Driving through the shaded, wooded road of Nettleton Road on the way to Jarrahdale. Lovely little drive for a New Year's Day. And hope you all have a good as day as I'm having right now. And thank you very much indeed for all the hints and tips on this build to date. Thank you for the new subscribers. All very gratefully received. And yeah. Oh, I just love that noise. Just that. You just put your foot into it a little bit and it just makes the boost just comes up that little bit. Not sure if you can see that. It's amazing. Look at that. Yee-haw! Beautiful. Alright, so I'm getting close to Jarrahdale now. So I will turn this off and I will post it out as a video a bit later on today. Thank you very much indeed, and yeah. I'll no doubt speak to you in the near future, in the new year. So bye for now.